Kiddy's dream.
This wall is a little yawn. It needs a blast of super duper fun color. Let's build something magical.
Time for the rainbow shelf adventure. We'll need a few simple supplies, some bright, cheerful paint, and a wooden shelf board.
Squeak! The trick is making the cloud nice and round. Imagine a fluffy marshmallow. Safety first, though. Always ask an adult for help with
Now for the color explosion. Use 6 vibrant shades to paint the rainbow stripes. Make sure to let each color dry before adding the next one first.
Almost done. Put the rainbow under your cloud, and then carefully attach the whole piece to the wall brackets.
Now for the best part, decorating. Add your favorite books, some tiny toys, and anything that makes you smile. It's your happy shelf.
And that's how you turn a plain wall into a colorful adventure. What will you create next? Time to dream up more DIY magic.